Let's delve into the essential yet often overlooked topic of internal controls for small businesses. Internal controls are crucial for ensuring the integrity and accuracy of your financial information, safeguarding assets, and promoting operational efficiency. Let's begin by understanding what internal controls are. Internal controls comprise policies and procedures implemented to provide reasonable assurance that business operations are effective and efficient. Financial reporting is reliable, and the company complies with applicable laws and regulations. Now, for a small business, establishing internal controls might seem daunting, but it's essential. Start with the control environment. This includes the business's culture, values, and integrity. It sets the tone for the entire organization. Leaders must lead by example and demonstrate a commitment to ethical behavior. Next, implement risk assessment. Identify possible risks to your business's objectives, such as fraud or mismanagement, and determine how to mitigate these risks. Let's move on to control activities. These are the actions taken to reduce risks. Small businesses should implement segregation of duties to prevent conflict of interests, errors, and fraud. For instance, the person who handles cash shouldn't be the one recording transactions. Ensure you have proper authorization for transactions, like requiring multiple signatures for business bank transfers. Information and communication are pivotal. Ensure that all members of your organization are aware of their roles and responsibilities regarding internal controls. Regularly train your employees, update them on policies, and maintain open communication channels for reporting suspicious activities. Lastly, monitoring is vital. Regularly review and adjust your internal controls to cater to evolving business environments or as your company grows. Conduct periodic reconciliations of financial statements and compare actual performance to budgets. Engage external auditors or consultants periodically to review your systems for additional assurance. By implementing these internal controls, small businesses can protect themselves from financial losses, improve efficiency, and ensure long-term success.